Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, June 4th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We made it through another crazy week. Now we're ready for the weekend. And this weekend is going to be quite a bit different than last weekend. Last weekend, as you know, we had rain and we had some very, very cool temperatures, almost record-breaking. In some cases, was record-breaking, with temperatures struggling to break 50 degrees. We're in the upper 40s in some locations. This weekend, about 40 degrees warmer, with temperatures ranging from the mid-80s to lower 90s. So it's certainly quite a switch in our weather pattern. For this morning, we have a cold front that is approaching. It's a weakening cold front, but it's still going to pack enough of a punch to produce some more showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. This morning, we have winds generally from the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. We have a few lingering showers here and there, especially right along the coast. But for the most part, the primary theme here is cloudy skies with some areas of fog and temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-60s over the higher elevations. Mid to upper 60s in your urban areas, a few lower 70s down towards the Philadelphia metro, and upper 60s down towards southern New Jersey. So it's a bit humid out there, certainly much warmer than what we've been experiencing. And as you can see here, we have a nice southerly flow coming basically right out of the coastal waters of South Carolina and Georgia, right into our neck of the woods. And that air mass is also coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. So you can see it's a bit of a warmer air mass than what we've been dealing with. Now, on our surface map, there is our cold front that's going to be marching its way through later on this afternoon with that threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Our warm front from yesterday as well to the north. This low pressure system will be tracking to the northeast, sending that cold front through. But again, this cold front isn't going to pack much of a punch in terms of temperature influences or a change in the air mass. It's just going to produce enough lifting of all this tropical moisture to support those showers and thunderstorms. Now, on the radar, you can see just a few showers along the Jersey Shore right now. There's our cold front back here around State College, PA, and Altoona. That cold front is going to be marching its way through, and as it does so, it will produce scattered showers and thunderstorms. When we take a look at the latest visible satellite picture, you can see plenty of cloud cover here. So that's going to limit your potential for instability in the atmosphere. It's really that cold front that's going to really lift enough of the moisture in the atmosphere to produce those scattered showers and thunderstorms. And because we have a tropical air mass in place right now, that's going to support thunderstorms that will be able to produce very heavy downpours and frequent lightning. Most of them probably won't be severe, but I can't rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm here and there, so we'll keep an eye on that. Probably not watch level, but definitely something just to be aware of. And if you get trapped in one of these showers or thunderstorms as this cold front approaches, you can see the cold cloud tops associated with this cold front. If you happen to get stuck with one of these thunderstorms and you're driving, it's okay to pull over. I would suggest it because some of these rainfall rates are going to be pretty impressive and it could really reduce the visibility. So just be aware of that. So let's dive into this forecast. Again, for this afternoon, watch out for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will be rising into the lower to mid 70s over the interior, upper 60s to mid 70s along the coast, and mid 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. A lot of those higher temperatures will be dependent on if you see a little bit more sunshine. And also you dodge a few of those thunderstorms. Now, for tonight into tomorrow morning, that cold front will clear out. We'll drop in humidity just a bit, and that's going to allow our temperatures to fall off into the upper 50s to lower 60s. And it's also going to limit your potential for fog, okay? But I can't rule out a little bit of low clouds here and there. In the afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover, a weak trough hanging around, and notice here is our ridge here. So we have weak cold fronts and low troughs here off to our north, our ridge off to the south, transporting a more humid air mass in. And so for tomorrow afternoon, I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, but for the most part, mix of sun and clouds, temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 80s over the interior, and mid 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. Now, for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and for most part Wednesday, we are going to be in the same pattern here, where we have our ridge off to the south and cold fronts and troughs to our north, Nothing really changes. It pretty much remains stagnant. So that's going to produce a threat for fog in the morning and a threat for an isolated to widely scattered shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. That's going to be rinse and repeat from Sunday all the way on through Wednesday. With that being the case, you're going to have your low temperatures ranging from the mid 60s to lower 70s along the coast, lower to mid 60s over the interior, especially our higher elevations. High temperatures will range from the mid 70s to lower 80s on Long Island because of that southwesterly wind coming off the Atlantic Ocean. Same thing for the Connecticut coast. But everywhere else, basically mid 80s to lower 90s. And with the increasing humidity, it'll probably feel more like the mid 90s. So certainly not exactly the heat wave type pattern that some might be looking for, but certainly more summer-like and one that is more conducive for heading to the beach. Now on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, we're going to have a cold front that's going to be dropping through the region. That's going to produce widespread showers and thunderstorms. Lows on Wednesday morning in the on Thursday morning will range from the upper 50s to mid 60s over the northern interior and mid 60s to lower 70s as they head towards the southern interior, the coast. Okay. Now by Thursday afternoon, that cold front pushes south. We have high pressure from the Canadian Maritimes building in. You're going to end up with more of a southeasterly to easterly wind. That's going to mean a mix of sun and clouds, chance for an isolated shower, but much, much cooler. We're looking at, again, low temperatures in the upper 50s to mid 60s. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to mid 70s over the interior and around the New York City metro. Mid to upper 70s in the Philadelphia metro. And on Friday, high pressure and complete control with scattered cloud cover expected. Can't rule out an isolated shower around the Philadelphia metro, but for the most part, it's going to be pretty quiet. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to mid 70s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s everywhere else. So, quite a swing in our temperatures, back and forth. That's going to be the theme this summer. So if you enjoyed these forecasts, please like, share, and subscribe. But in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe out there.